Hi everyone, this is Nicole from NM Digital Design, and in this video I'm going to show you how to import presets into the mobile Lightroom app using only your smartphone. Adobe hasn't made a way to directly import presets into their mobile application yet, but this can be done pretty easily with just a few steps. Now the first thing that you need to do is import the mobile preset files into your Lightroom gallery. I've pulled up some example presets here that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So at this point, I've downloaded and saved my presets to the Files app on my phone. And I know that Android also has a Files app, so even though I'll be going through this tutorial using an iPhone, Android users will be able to follow along. Now to move these from your phone's files to Lightroom, open up your Lightroom app. Go to your photo gallery and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap on Add Photos and From Files. From here, you can find your files wherever they're stored on your phone and tap on them to add them to your Lightroom gallery. So now I have all three preset files added to my gallery. Notice how you can see them here, and they basically appear like pictures in your gallery, just with a DNG label to indicate what type of file they are. It's important to remember that the mobile preset files will always end with the .dng extension. The .lr template or the .xmp extensions that work for the desktop versions of Lightroom will not work with the mobile app. So whenever you're trying to import mobile presets to your Lightroom app, just make sure that you're importing the files that end in .dng. Now we're going to tap on one of these presets and then tap the three dots in the top right corner. There are two options to really pay attention to here, and those are the Copy Settings options and the Create Preset options. If you tap Copy Settings, you can copy the preset from this DNG file and paste it onto any of your photos, just like this. And so you've applied your preset to this photo, and this is a very easy way to use the presets. But if you want to be trying multiple presets on an image, this can take a lot of time as there's a lot of back and forth between images and preset files. So to show you a second way to set up your preset in Lightroom, I've opened this first preset back up, and I'm going to open that settings menu up again, but this time I'm going to tap on Create Preset instead of Copy Settings. Now the process that we're about to follow will save the preset into your Lightroom app's preset menu, meaning that you'll be able to use it much more like you would use a filter on Instagram. So when you select that Create Preset option, you'll see this menu pop up. And the first thing that I'm going to do is name this preset. And after I've named it, I'm going to tap the User Presets option under Preset Group. This will open the preset group menu, and this is where you can create a group for your new presets so that you'll be able to find them easily in your preset menu. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new group, and I'll tap this Create New Preset Group option. I'm going to name this group Tutorial, and then I'm just going to tap this check mark in the top right corner to save that group. So now our preset is named. Our preset will be saved within this preset group here called Tutorial. And the next thing that we're going to do is make sure that all of the right settings are saved for this preset. To do this, tap Select under the preset group name and select this Modified option. This will basically make sure that all of the exact settings that are changed by the preset are saved. Now from here, all we have to do is tap the check mark in the top right corner to save this new preset. So now we're going to go to our second preset and follow basically the same steps. We're going to open the setting menu, hit Create Preset again. I'm going to name this second preset. And under Preset Group, we're actually going to find the group that we created in the last step. So in this case, I'm going to tap on my tutorial group that I created last time. Again, we need to make sure that all the right settings are changed, so we're going to tap on that Select and then tap on Modified. And then to save it, again, we'll tap on that check mark in the top right corner. And I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing for the third example preset. All right, now at this point, I've got all the presets I downloaded added to my tutorial presets group. So this process has saved the presets I downloaded into my Lightroom preset menu, meaning I can actually delete these DNG files from my Lightroom gallery, but the preset will still be there every time I load Lightroom. This allows you to use the presets, again, much more like you would use a filter on Instagram. And although this process did take a few more steps than just copying and pasting the settings, it really will save you time in the long run. And just so you can see what I mean, I'm going to select one of my photos to try this out on. So tap one of the photos that you want to try your preset on, and then scroll along that bottom menu until you reach the presets. We're going to tap on this presets option to open the preset menu. And over here where it says color on the left hand side, that's the preset group we're looking at. So we're going to tap on color, and we're going to scroll down to the preset group we created called tutorial. Tap that group, and you'll see that the 3 presets that I downloaded are in this preset group. And all you have to do now is you can tap on each one just to see how they change the picture. When you've found the preset that you want to keep on the photo, all you have to do is select this check mark on the bottom right, and you've saved your image. And that's how you import presets into your Lightroom app. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy using your presets in the Lightroom app.